Namaskar children, welcome to the geography class. You know we had done our 2 chapter from part A book India, People and Economy. Now today we are going to start our another chapter, that is unit 1, chapter number 3, Human Development. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to discuss about the human development. Okay, so very important part is that the primary aim of the development is the well-being of the people, which means development in the economic. So children, who is known as the developer? Okay, so the meaning of development we can understand that, which means development in the economic, social, cultural spheres. Okay, not only in one single field. Okay, so in this chapter we'll discuss about the development of human in different areas of the country. So children, human development are 2 words, development of human. So children, I had discussed the things, that means what is the meaning of development, where in the country the development in the field of economy, in the field of social, in the field of culture spheres, that means the country is developed, or you can say the human of that country are developed. The United Nations Development Program UNDP published its first human development report in 1990. So in this chapter we will discuss about the meaning of the human development and what is the exactly role of the human in the development of the economy. With greater development, or you can say that the how can we say the people are facing the problem of poverty, what the people are known as the people, those who live in slum areas. So what so many problems are there in the country. So which type of development is required, or which type of development is there in the country? Human development kya hai? So in your books, in your textbook, there are some important terms which is very important for you to understand. Development of a few reasons individual brought about in a short span of them time leads to poverty and malnutrition for many, along with the large scale of ecological degradation. Children, before discussing the term of human development, that is very important for you to understand what is the difference between growth and the development. So children, you know that if you are growing up, okay, so what your parents or other people say, the child is grown up. When you was in the age of 5 years, your height, your personality as comparison to nowadays, it's so totally different. Okay, but what happened after 5 years, when you were on the age of 10, that means that time we can say that the growth of your body was low as comparison to when you are on the age of 10 years. आपकी बॉडी का जो वेट था वो जब आप 5 years के थे तब, और when you grown up till the age of 10 years, there was lots of difference. So you can say that your body is grown. Okay, your body is growing up. So the growth should be negative or it should be positive. देश का your earnings are increasing, that means your growth is positive. Your earnings are not increasing, or you can say it decreasing, that means your growth is still going on, your growth, but in a negative form. But what happened with the development? You know that when we are discussing the term development, that means something is changed, something is developed. That means there are some positive things happened. That means development is always positive, and you can say growth is negative or is positive. So children, we'll discuss in detail this term in your human development chapter. Now in this chapter we had discussed just about the United Nations UNDP report, what happened in that report or when it was published. Okay, so these we can start this chapter. In the present context of computerization, industrialization, efficiency, transport, communication network, okay, in education system, advanced and modern technology, medical facilities, these are some important terms are considered to be the symbol of development. किसी भी country का development क्या है? एक आज़ादी. That means it is believed that development is freedom, which is often associated with modernization of the things. That means which can be give you some kind of comfort. That means comfortable means there was lots of development which can help you to be come out from different situations. Computerization, industrialization, क्या है ये? It will help. That means what we are doing in our previous age, हम क्या कर रहे थे इन आर प्रीवियस एरा एंड व्हाट आर द न्यू थिंग डेवलप्ड विच हेल्प अस to come off from these situations and we are doing the work in some easy way. So computerization, industrialization are some efficient terms and आज के समय में आप देख रहे हैं ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कितना डेवलप हो चुका है, कम्युनिकेशन नेटवर्क कितना स्ट्रांग है. तो इट्स स्टिल यू कैन टेक योर न्यू एग्जांपल ऑफ वी आर कंडक्टिंग योर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. दैट मीन्स द टेक्नोलॉजी हैज बीन डेवलप्ड. So development is not only in one area, it is developed. That means who will develop these things? Definitely human. So human is a very intelligent thing, you can say. The intelligent we can say innovation by the nature. That human एक ऐसा nation है, एक ऐसा innovation है which will very intelligent, and whatever development is going on the earth is done by the mentality or the mind of the human. So children, this is the thing which we are discussing. Now term is very important, that is what is human development. You are having page number 24 in your textbook. There is a definition of human development is there. What is human development? So you can see here, human development is a process of enlarging the range of people's choices, increasing their opportunities for education, healthcare, income, empowerment, and converting the full range of human choices from a sound physical environment to economic and political freedom. This is the definition of human development. So children, human development है क्या? Human development एक ऐसा process है of enlarging the range of people choices. That means you are having lots of choices. You are having so many ranges to reach to can choose the particular thing which is you required. Okay, so increasing the opportunities, एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जो इंक्रीज करता है अपॉर्चुनिटीज को, जस्ट लाइक यू कैन से एजुकेशन, हेल्थ केयर, योर एम्पावरमेंट, इनकम. तो यू आर हैविंग that you can say that people having choices, and this development give you so many areas, you can say so many areas of opportunities. Though then you can increase your income, you are having empowerment in that area. That means full range of human choices. So it will say that enlarging the range of people choices is the most significant aspect of the human development. Okay, people choices may be involve a host of other issues, but living a long and healthy life, to be educated and have access to resources needed for a decent standard of living. So children, we had discussed about the exactly about the human development and its meaning. Then we'll discuss about the pillars, what the pillars or what are the factors required in the development of human in an area. So we'll continue the topic in our next lecture. Thank you so much.